So you can teleport. Welcome to the club. You are a super. But supers are boring. They just go and save a few backlights. You can do so much. Here is how to teleport. Congratulations, you can take over the world. Let's get the president out of the way first. Hopefully your teleportation is relative to the sun, because Earth is moving at about 30 clicks a second around the sun, even though that is relevant, and about 7,000 times that relative to the 10 cosmic background microwaves. If you're not relative to the sun, then you haven't so much learned to teleport as you have learned to disappear into deep space, never to be seen again. There we go. Your second problem, different parts of the Earth's surface move, and I know it sounds slightly underbuilt, but it's kind of like a record. The bits at the poles barely move at all in one day, but the bits at the equator have so much to travel, which means that if you go from, say, one city block to a city block one, then you're going to be far, but New York to DC, you will hit the brakes at 20 miles an hour. Poles to equator, you will be over and die at 1,000 miles an hour. I mean, it doesn't take much energy to compensate for that, about 7,000 solar systems, which you can get from a sip of time, but be aware of it. Also, try going to Australia. Stephen Gould's jumper is also irrelevant, but comic books, they don't worry, they can teleport all the way into the sun, despite the fact the energy required to get that far out of the well over here is more calories than you could take in a second, and they can jump. They are violating the sun of thermodynamics. And if you can do that, then you can take the joules. If you're evil, never mind. Or if you're good, that's a much better idea. Find something big. Something like this, but counterintuitive. Get high and drop it through a massive coil of cola. You're generating free problems. Or better yet, if you're one of those people who can create portals in midair, like that, much better thing you can do. Create an infinite loop. There we go. Or you could do what every other super does and fight crime.